A very happy morning to all of you. Today I'm here with you with a new topic. This is letter writing. What is a letter? Letter is a written conversation or communication between two people or two parties. We can send this via mail or post. Now, the types of letters. There are two types of letters, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letters are also called official letters. These are official purpose business letters, complaints, inquiry letters, etc. We use a very formal language in this type of letter, and we have to follow a bound or set pattern. We cannot write from our own in these type of letters. An informal letter we write to our family, friends, relatives, and we are free to express our feelings in these type of letters. Informal letters nowadays are rarely used, or these are not used because of WhatsApp and social media, but informal letters are still very important. For 10th class, letters are very important piece of composition because this is containing 5 marks, and this is very easy to score full marks with a little practice. So formal letters are there in your syllabus, and we will discuss these 4 letters one by one. Letter to editor, complaint letter, letter of inquiry, letter of order placement or placing order. So first of all, here we will discuss letter of editor, letter to editor. Letter to editor, we can write letter to editor by two types. First of all, when we want to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards some issues, some problems, and secondly, when we want to draw the attention of general public towards the particular issue or problem. Now, first of all, we will discuss the format of formal letter. First of all, we are to write on the left side of the page sender's address. You write in two lines. First of all, house number, and colony, and then city. You write these informations in sender's address. Sender means who is writing the letter. Date, then you have to follow this format: 4th October 2020. This pattern you have to follow. Don't follow this. Okay. Next, receiver's address, to whom we write the letter. So in receiver's address, first of all, in first line we have to write the designation to whom we are writing the letter, then office name, office or institution name, then city. Okay, this is not more than 3 lines. Then subject, the purpose of writing the letter, why we are writing this letter, and this is not more than 4 to 6 words. Okay. Next, salutation means dear sir, or only sir or ma'am. Okay. Next, the important part of the letter, body of letter. You can divide this body into 3 paragraphs. In paragraph 1, you have to write the introduction of the topic, the purpose of the letter, why you are writing this letter. In second paragraph, you are to mention the cause of the particular situation or topic or problem, and effects of the topic, means effects of the particular problem which is given in your question. Then next, paragraph number 3, meaningful suggestions. If you can give some meaningful suggestions about this problem, and practical requests you are to make. So you can write body of letter in these 3 paragraphs. Next, in left side, you have to write yours faithfully. Then name which is given in your question, and designation if any, if applicable, if there is given any designation you can write here. Okay, so this is the format of formal letters. Now here we have a question. You are Prabhu Kumar Parvati of 17E Ravidas Road, Kochi. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the nuisance caused by loudspeakers in the city during examination days, drawing the attention of the concerned authorities to the problem. First of all, when we have a question, first of all we have to see that to whom we are writing this letter, to the editor. Okay, and who am I who is writing the letter? Prabhu Kumar Parvati, and this is my address, means this is sender's address. Okay, next, for what we are writing the letter? The nuisance caused by loudspeaker. This is our subject. Okay, this is sender, this is receiver, and this is our subject. Next, we have to draw the attention of concerned authorities, not general public here. Okay, first of all we have to put all these information from our question. Now we are writing the letter as this is given in our question. Who is sender? Prabhu Kumar or Parvati. And what is sender's address? This. So we have written the sender's address. First of all, sender's address 17E Ravidas Road, Kochi. In second line you have to write city, and after leaving one line we have to write date. Next, after leaving one line, to whom we are writing the letter? The editor. The name of newspaper is not given in our question, so we can write Times of India, Delhi. If any name is not given in your question, so you can write any of the newspaper, Times of India, Hindustan Times, and Delhi. Okay, then after leaving one line you have to write subject. Yes, we also mark our subject, the nuisance caused by loudspeaker. Nuisance caused by loudspeaker, this is our subject. 4 words. Next, salutation, sir. After leaving one line you have to write sir and then start the letter. Okay, the opening line will be this is paragraph 1. Opening line will be, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards. So these lines you have to learn as it is. You are nothing to do with this. Till here you have to learn as it is, and here you have to write the problem in given in your question, the nuisance caused by loudspeaker during examination. This is paragraph 1, and in second paragraph you have to write the description of the problem. Half yearly examination of the students are about to begin and students are busy in exams preparation. On the other hand, the blaring noise of loudspeakers is making it impossible for the students to prepare for the exams. People are violating the law and play loud music after 11 p.m. As a result, students are unable to study since they are not able to concentrate. Then thousands of students who suffer on account of the nuisance caused by loudspeaker. Then this is third paragraph. I am hopeful that the concerned authorities will look into the matter and take necessary action. I hope that you will publish my concern in your widely read newspaper. So this paragraph you have to learn as it is. I am hopeful that the concerned authorities will look into the matter and take necessary action. I hope that you will publish my concerns in your widely read newspaper. This you have to learn as it is. So you have to compose only paragraph number 2. Next, yours faithfully and Prabhu Kumar. This name is given in your question. So if you practice the letter this as it is, this type, you will sure score full marks in this question. And these are some suggested important topics which were there in previous board exams papers. First, attacks on old people living alone. You can practice. Poor sanitation and hygiene. Insanitary or bad conditions of road. Insanitary means this is related to sanitation of or cleanliness. Increasing cases of theft in your locality. Increase in road accidents. Insufficient supply of drinking water or power failure in your area. So you can practice these topics, and as it is, you now you can write the application very well. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.